Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you I'm going to be giving you a garden a garden tour of like all the little plants and vegetables that I've gotten. So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, they're coming back. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of plant shopping, and some of the things that I grew was from stuff I bought from the grocery store. Like, they were going bad in the refrigerator, so I've been seeing a lot of people like get like those little mason jars and just like stick the root in there and then watch it grow. And my green onions, y'all, my scallions, whatever you want to call them, my green onions, like, oh my gosh, it's already time to harvest them. Like within a day of me putting the green onion, like I cut part of it off and then like I put them in the mason jar, and like within a day it started growing. Like, and now they are super big, so I think they're ready to harvest. But I think with green onions, like, you can just keep the root in the bucket, and then it'll just cut it and then just keep cutting it until it gets long, you know. Like, you don't really have to change the root, like you just keep cutting it and then it'll grow more and you can cut it again. So yeah, it's about time to cut it, so I'm gonna take you to that right now. I bought some more plants yesterday. I got 2 fruit trees. My parents bought 1 fruit tree. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you my garden. Okay, so this is my garden. Well, actually this is my little pot right here. This green bucket is where all of my stuff is at. So I'm gonna show you. It really just looks like a whole bunch of nothing, because nothing is, well, the only thing that's blooming is the onions. So I bought these green onions right here. I bought those from the grocery store, and I saw a hack on the internet where you could just fill up the water, like just a little mason jar of water, and then just put it in the ground for like a root, and they've been growing ever since. So I have a plethora of green onions. So these are the green onions right here. I can harvest these if I wanted to. And right here is my basil. I need to take that. Okay, we need to. Right here is my basil. I need to take that out because it needs more sunlight and it's dying. So I need to take that out of the bucket. Now all this green stuff right here, this is a hybrid plant. So that is chocolate mint. So it smells like chocolate mint. I got it from Lowe's. I thought it was cute. And yeah, it's chocolate mint. And so I have a lot of mint, as you can see. Like, it's taking over the whole bucket. So yeah. And then this right here is my cucumber plant. Wait, it's not even on there. These big leaves over here is my cucumber plant. Right here. Those are my cucumbers. And what else is that? Yeah, that's pretty much what's all in here. My cucumbers are doing pretty good. So yeah, the green onions are growing. I can harvest those right now if I wanted to. So I might do that. And it's even new growth. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but you see that new growth right there? That little sprout. So yeah, I have a lot of green onion. And then all this right here is mint. I'm going to show you what I just bought, and I'm going to put it in the ground. Well, not in the ground, but in a planter that I bought. Okay, so these are my other plants I just bought. Well, I didn't just buy them. And then yes, look at the little lizard right there, being nosy. But that plant right here is, oh, this is peppermint. This is peppermint plant. I'm trying to get the focus. I bought it like 2 weeks ago. Haven't planted it yet, so it's really just like the other mint. But yeah, this, let me zoom out some. This is my peppermint plant. This next plant right here is lavender. So this is my lavender plant. I also bought this 2 weeks ago and never planted it. So yeah, I need to plant that right now. I might put all the mints and stuff and the herbs together. So this is lavender. This is rosemary. I heard that these can grow a little bit out of control. So yeah, I just got one. And this was, all these were like $4. So this is a rosemary plant. So this is what is this? Okay, this is parsley. Focus. This is parsley. And it's very pretty. It looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it looks like a little bush. I really don't know how to harvest this stuff. But yeah, this is parsley. Is cilantro. This is cilantro, and it's a really big plant. Very full. It's called confetti cilantro. I'm pretty sure you can harvest this right now, but I don't have a need for it, so I'm gonna just put it in the ground. This is a tomato plant. I'm trying to zoom out some because it's really big. So this right here is a tomato plant. This is a Candyland tomato. Ooh, they're like these. Focus. They're like these little tomatoes right here. They grow very tiny. And the last plant that I bought is a roasted red pepper. And it too is pretty. Okay, so this is the big garden. Right here is the red hot chili pepper. That's a chili pepper. And then over here we have a tomato. What kind of tomato is that?
Better boy.
A better boy tomato plant. And what's that? Can you use that for green onion? I mean green tomatoes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a green tomato. Okay, that's a better boy tomato, and it has a green tomato on there. These are, what are these, collard greens? These are all collard greens. Planted from seeds. Seeds?
In a bag.
Wow. Okay, they're planted from seeds. I thought you planted them from roots.
Oh, just little seeds, and then we planted, me and Jojo planted them out here.
Oh, okay, so these are from seeds. It's a lot of them. What are those eating them up? Caterpillars? Worms?
Some kind of worm. I got it.
Like, that's a big hole right there. We have a jalapeno plant. Spicy slice jalapeno. And then over there, is that my blonde bell pepper? Okay. And this right here is my little blonde bell pepper.
We spray some of that stuff on because I'm trying to eat it too.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to show you the fruit trees. This right here is the little orange tree. When do oranges bloom?
They bloom twice a year.
Twice? Yeah. Okay, so this one hasn't bloomed yet. We got this orange tree from Costco. And how much was it? 50?
Yeah.
It was $50 for this size. And yeah, it's just a basic orange tree. So yeah, this is how it's looking. Very green, very pretty. And these are my parents' orange tree, not mine. And the next tree is mine. Oh, it got more lemons on there since we bought it, huh? No, look at the little small, look at the little small lemons. Okay. See, like these little sprouts right here. See, these and this. Oh, and look at these right here growing too. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is my lemon tree. It's very full. Very, very full. A lot of lemons. They look like limes right now. But this one is about to bloom. This one's turning.
Got a whole bunch of them full.
I know. This one is starting to turn yellow. And oh, it's another one right here, Dad. In the middle is 4 of them on one stem.
Yeah, that's him. So
Yeah. Okay, see, this one has like four lemons. Wow. And then here goes some more over here. And here goes some more starting to sprout. Focus. Oh, not right there. Oh, now how I focus on the grass? Okay, that's weird. Anyways, these little sprouts are right here.
You usually have about 4 on the vine.
Oh yeah, this one right here has a lot of them on there too. So they come about 4 each, right?
It looks that way.
Yeah, cause there goes. Yeah. See this one? Those have like 2 on there. Wait, that one's starting to turn yellow. It looks like it's dying though. And then that one.
All of them ain't gonna live. Some of them take on there.
Yeah, but oh, this. Ones. Oh yeah, you right. It broke 5.
Yeah.
Oh wow. But is it still getting nutrients if it broke?
Yeah, it's still getting nutrients.
Okay.
It's still hooked up right there.
Yeah.
And you got leaves still coming out of it.
Wow. So yeah, that one has 5 on there. This guava tree. Show the picture. That's how they're supposed to look. Like that, like a little watermelon. And this is only $10. And they're a tropical plant. So they grow in very tropical climates. Like Florida. And yeah, I don't know if it's doing good or not. Is it?
It's living good. It got new growth already.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it does have new growth. Try to zoom in on it. Right there. Why does it look like that? What is that? But I don't really know much about guava trees, so we're just gonna let it do its thing. But it likes a lot of water, so yeah. So that's all the stuff, and we're gonna plant the plants in a potter. Okay, so I got this Miracle Grow stuff, and it is the garden soil for in-ground. Oh, it's for in-ground use. Oh well, we're gonna put them in the ground anyways, child. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some of this inside of the planters up here, and yeah, so let me just film myself doing that.
Don't have to be this way.
So I think that's enough dirt for now. So now we're gonna put the plants inside and then cover them up. So I'm gonna plant the lavender plant, and this plant requires what does it require? Does it tell me? No, it doesn't. Oh yes, it does. Okay, it requires full sun for 6+ hours. Spacing. Okay, so I think I need to put all the plants that require full sun. Okay, so the lavender is full sun.
It's on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you jumping away. It's on you, but I won't pay. What could you lose by loving me? Go, go, go. Deeper, 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 deeper. Go, deeper, deeper. Go, 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 go. Deeper, deeper. Taking a lovers, promise not to drown ya. I am my place back 'cause I feel away. Only here to have your way. Leave, don't stay. Why you gotta be that way? Afraid that your heart might break. Keep it ready, my sinking down. Even on the low, we both know we've been bound to flow. Are you down to go? It's on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you jumping away. It's on you, but I won't pay. What could you lose by loving me? Go, go, go. Deeper, 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 deeper. Deeper, deeper. Go, 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 go. Deeper, deeper. Taking a lovers, promise not to drown ya. I'll be pretty water. Let's go deeper. I wanna go deep when I know ya. Let's go deeper. Why you gonna be that way? Afraid that your heart might break. I'll be pretty water. Let's go deeper. I wanna go deep when I know ya. Let's go deeper. It's all on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, and you jumping away. Don't have to be this way. What could you lose?
Okay, so as you can see, I dug my basil plant up out of the other potter because this plant requires full sun. So I'm just gonna take some of these dead leaves off and try to keep some that's still alive. It smells really good. Let me just put that right there. And oh, it smells very good. Okay, and I'm just gonna put some dirt around it. It looks so bad, but it'll come back once I put it in the full sun. So I'm going to water it. So this is it.